In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Shopify website efficiently and effectively in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur ready to launch your online store or looking to give your current shop a facelift, we've got you covered. We'll walk through the essential steps to customize your Shopify store, ensuring it not only looks great but also resonates with your brand and attracts more customers. Let's start with the basics. First, navigate to Shopify's main page. It's important to start from the home page to ensure you're not missing out on any updates or changes Shopify might have implemented since your last visit. Once you're there, find the login button. This should be prominently displayed, but if you're having trouble, it's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to a login screen where you'll enter your credentials. If you're new to Shopify, you'll need to create an account instead, which is a straightforward process. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where the magic happens. From here, look for the My Store option. Clicking this will take you to a new page specifically designed for managing your online store. This page is your central hub for everything from adding products to analyzing sales. Next, you'll want to jump straight into customizing your store's appearance by selecting Online Store from the Shopify admin sidebar. This section is all about the look and feel of your site, which is key to making a great first impression on your visitors. Upon selecting Online Store, your next move is to click Customize. This action opens Shopify's theme editor, a powerful tool that allows you to tweak various aspects of your store's design without needing to write a single line of code. In the theme editor, you'll notice several sections you can customize. A good starting point is to click on Highlight, which may refer to different elements depending on your chosen theme. Typically, this could be anything from featured products to special announcements that you want to draw attention to. Spend some time experimenting with different highlights to see what feels right for your store. Remember, the goal is to make your store not just functional, but also welcoming and reflective of your brand. After you've adjusted the highlights to your liking, it's time to dive into the theme settings. This area allows you to make broader changes that affect your entire site, such as adjusting your logo, tweaking the color scheme, and selecting the fonts that match your brand identity. It's amazing how much a consistent color palette and typography can elevate your store's aesthetic. While you're in the theme settings, don't forget to click on the logo option to upload your brand logo. A well-designed logo can significantly impact how your customers perceive your brand, so make sure it's visible and aligns well with your overall design theme. As you continue exploring the theme settings, you'll come across the colors option. Colors play a crucial role in design, affecting how your store feels to visitors. Choose a palette that complements your products and brand identity. If you're unsure, Shopify provides predefined color schemes that are both modern and visually appealing. Moving on, typography is the next stop. The right font does not only ensure your site is reader-friendly, but also helps convey the personality of your brand. Shopify offers a variety of fonts, so take your time to find one that speaks to your brand's voice. Now, adjusting your site's layout might seem daunting, but it's all about how content is organized on your page. A clean, logical layout ensures visitors can easily find what they're looking for, critical for a positive user experience. Don't overlook the animations section. Subtle animations can make your store feel dynamic and engaging. However, it's crucial to strike the right balance, as too much animation can be distracting. Lastly, let's talk about buttons. These are your call to action elements, guiding customers on what to do next. Whether it's buy now, learn more, or sign up, ensure your buttons are noticeable and clear. Before we wrap up, I want to touch on the final touch for your site, the theme style. This might seem minor, but it's about consistency. Selecting a theme style that aligns with your brand ensures a cohesive look throughout your store. Designing your Shopify website doesn't have to be complicated. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a visually stunning and functionally exceptional online store that stands out from the competition. Remember, your website is often your customer's first impression of your brand, so make it count. Happy designing, and I look forward to seeing your Shopify stores come to life.